How to delete Pinterest account. Let's get started. Launch your Pinterest app. You'll land to the home page. Now, navigate to the profile page by clicking on the icon given at the bottom left. Now click on the profile icon given at the top left. Navigate to the option Account Management. Select the option Delete your data and account. Delete your account. Deleting your account is permanent and means you won't be able to get your pins or boards back. All your Pinterest account data will be deleted. If you're ready to leave forever, you'll be receiving mail with the final step to click on the option of click on the option Continue. Now you'll be receiving mail from the Pinterest to the email address that is linked with your account. You have to check that mail, open it, and follow the on screen instructions. With that, your Pinterest account will be deleted forever. This way, you can easily delete your Pinterest account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.